Hey everyone, welcome back to Words Classes. Today, we're diving into a topic that often gets overlooked: men and their mood swings. Why it's important. Before we jump into it, let's talk about why this is an important issue. Society has long perpetuated the stereotype that men are emotionless or stoic, but the truth is, men have emotions too. The science behind mood swings. First, let's briefly touch on the science behind mood swings. Both men and women have hormones that can affect their moods. For men, testosterone plays a significant role, and it can fluctuate just like estrogen does in women. Common triggers. Now, let's discuss some common triggers for mood swings in men. These can include work-related stress, relationship issues, financial worries, and even physical health problems. Societal pressure. One major factor that often leads to men suppressing their emotions is societal pressure. Men are often told to man up or tough it out, which can make it difficult for them to express their feelings. The impact of ignored emotions. Ignoring or suppressing emotions can have serious consequences. It can lead to increased stress, anxiety, and even depression. It's crucial for men to recognize their emotions and find healthy ways to cope. Breaking the stigma. So, how do we break the stigma around men's emotions? It starts with open communication. Men should feel comfortable discussing their feelings with friends, family, or a therapist. Supporting men's emotional well-being. As a society, we can also play a part in supporting men's emotional well-being. Let's be more empathetic, understanding, and encouraging when it comes to men expressing their emotions. Conclusion. In conclusion, it's essential to remember that men have mood swings too, and that's completely normal. Let's work together to create a world where everyone, regardless of gender, can openly address their emotional needs. Call to action. If you found this video informative and want to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Let's continue the conversation in the comments below. Have you or someone you know experienced mood swings? How did you handle it? Thank you for joining us today on Words Classes. Remember, it's okay for men to have mood swings, and it's okay to seek help when needed. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.